We finally got the truth as to what happened to the young boy that was murdered in Mossel Bay in Hlamulo Sambo. And it's exactly what the mother has been saying for the longest time. It's exactly what many people have been saying. He was murdered by a mob for exactly the reason, because he's a Tsonga boy, Ishangan. And many people disputed that. They even shamed the mother. They said the mother should be arrested. And they said there is no tribalism, there is no xenophobia in South Africa. Yes, there is. It might be maybe 5% of the population who are tribalist, and they are a small minority, but they are the ones who are doing all of this destruction. So there was a person, the shack owner, who was arrested, a 23-year-old. He wasn't really the shack owner. He was just guarding the shack for someone. He details the full detail because he was arrested, wrongfully arrested by police. The police also lied about the whole situation. So the man came out and gave a statement to NCA. He's saying that when he arrived at the situation, from a distance, there was a crowd and there was a young boy screaming over there. And when he went to the shack that he was guarding, that's when he saw Hlamulo Sambo. He was taking his last breath. And then after that, he said they must call an ambulance. Here's the guy who was guarding the shack speaking with ENCA.
Safika yadini saphuma nabanyomeza futhi saphindela masifika lapho sifika kunomfana oleleyo uphefumule kayi-1 njengebelele wathi sabe sibuza thina i-ambulance ifonelwe na kwabe kunosisi abe-2 abebekhona apha andibaqaphilanga abanye abantu ubukho babo.
And this boy losing his life was inspired by Jacinta and her crew, Phakelo Mthakathi, Ngizwe Mchunu, because there was a song that they were singing earlier in the year, Shanga Nisuke Endleleni. Let me just give you a reminder of that song. The sad thing about this whole situation is that the police came on live TV and lied to all of us. They even held a press conference just to lie and actually criminalize Hlamulo Sambo, the victim himself, saying that he was a thief, he did burglary, and that's the reason he was unalived. I mean, how insensitive is that? Saying that the mother is lying. They should have told us that they don't have the full facts. They should have told us that they are